Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best luxury bathroom faucets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is PARLOS Bathroom Sink Faucet, Best Budget Bathroom Faucet. The PARLOS Bathroom Sink Faucet features a simple yet elegant design that will make your bathroom look amazing. This faucet stands out in your bathroom due to its beautiful brushed nickel finish. Unlike other faucets, the PARLOS 13598 bathroom faucet is easy to install and can be done even by amateurs. It comes with the necessary components in the box. The brushed nickel finish means that it is quite resistant to corrosion and other issues common to bathroom fittings. Number 2. Our second best pick is BWE Chrome Centerset Bathroom Faucet. The BWE bathroom faucet is made of brass and has a chrome finish. This combination implies that it is built to resist corrosion, abrasions, and other related mishaps. It is a surface-mounted faucet with a single handle to control the water volume and temperature. Therefore, it is easy to use for most people. It does not come with a pop-up drain and lift rod. However, this does not hamper the ease of installation. With its shiny and reflective chrome finish, this faucet is excellent for almost every bathroom decor. Number 3. Our third best pick is Delta Faucet Modern Single-Hole Bathroom Faucet. This faucet is a thing of minimalist beauty. With its straight angles and lines, it is a fitting companion to any modern bathroom. The shiny, reflective chrome finish of the Delta bathroom faucet lends a polished, glossy feel to the overall decor of the bathroom. Although with a chrome finish, this faucet boasts of a metal body which conveys durability and sturdiness. The chrome finish ensures that the faucet does not corrode or scratch. Easy to install, this faucet comes with a pop-up drain in its box. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Moen 6410 billion EVA 2-handle Centerset Bathroom Faucet. If you love two-handled faucets, the Moen EVA 6410 billion adds an elegant touch to your bathroom without sacrificing functionality and convenience. The Moen EVA Centerset Bathroom Faucet is a beautiful faucet with a sleek design that reminds one of a majestic swan. This faucet, coated with Moen's Lifeshine nickel, can endure rough treatment and bruises without showing it. Despite everyday use, this faucet retains its polished look, thus allaying fears of corrosion or flaking. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Fiestina Bathroom Faucet. Fiestina is an elegant bathroom faucet with excellent build quality. This beautiful bathroom faucet combines a modern look with a bit more traditional style. It does not only look good and feel premium, but it also meets safety requirements and standards. With its brass material and brushed nickel finish, this faucet makes your bathroom look even better and gives off an almost warm glow. This brass faucet has a brushed nickel surface that adds to its luster. It is a deck-mounted faucet with a 3-hole installation requirement. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.